Hey, what's up? It's Jason, aka J Million NYC here. Just back with another case video for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This time we're looking at the case by Speck. It's their Presidio case. Good thing this year is that we're getting more cases for the Z Fold line. As of last year, it was very hard to come by. Like Speck didn't have a case this year, but luckily they have one this year. But yeah, this is the Presidio case. If you've ever been familiar with their cases, their clear cases, they're pretty strong, pretty durable. This one is, yeah, it's clear, so you still get to see your colorway of your whatever Z Fold device that you got. And it's pretty lightweight. I mean, you use it to scroll up and down, so there's no bulkiness around it. You feel a nice amount of protection on the case. And it, you still get your personality of the phone that you picked out. So unlike some of the cases I've seen thus far with the Z Fold 3 that's been broken in two pieces, the Presidio case is actually one piece. Well, kind of, sort of. You see here, there's a little notch, a little area here that kind of keeps it together. So it's just one big piece instead of the ones I've seen where it's two pieces. You put one on the front screen and one on the back screen. But it's still easy to apply. So basically, you just fold out your Z Fold 3 and you just pop it in the case here, pop it here, and that's it. You get your hinges exposed here, but when it's closed out, you do get that nice amount of protection. So it works out pretty good. I've been using it for the past week on and off. Like I said, I like that it gives the phone its personality. Doesn't cover up your colorway. I mean, of course I have the black one, but some have green, some have silver. So you still get a good look at that. It's lightweight. Covers up it leaves openings for the USB charger. Also exposes your buttons, so which is good. Wirelessly charging, hasn't had any issues as well. So this is just a quick look at the Specs case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You can also check out the website G Style Mag to get my full-on written review about the case, and if I ultimately do recommend it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and make sure you come check out some more videos. Thanks.